one more race win, and they win the 36th edition of the America's Cup.
Years after their first successful defence on home waters, Emirates Team New Zealand do it again in a new class of boat that proves Kiwis can fly. Sailing's most treasured prize, the America's Cup stays in New Zealand.
When I said before, Team New Zealand has become the first most successful team in 170 years of the America's Cup to successfully challenge and defend the America's Cup twice. So let me remind you, San Diego 95, the America's Cup is now New Zealand's Cup. Auckland 2000, the America's Cup is still New Zealand's Cup. Bermuda 2017, once again, the America's Cup is New Zealand's Cup. And in March 2021 in Auckland, the America's Cup remains New Zealand's Cup. One more time, the America's Cup altogether remains New Zealand's Cup.